Honda Civic's getting a fuel pump. Got 450 walbro. This is the stuff that I'm using. I got 25 amp, the relay, the socket relay, and some 10 gauge wire to wire it. I'll show you. I'll get this shit done. Okay, so in here, bro, when I bounce from my exhaust, is flimsy, bro. It's bad, but you just want to unscrew these with a screwdriver. Make sure you're not using no power tools, because if something sparks, you're cooked. Alright, boom. Now that you got that shit off, you just need a 10 mil right here for these 6 bolts, and then take off the lines right here. Just pull it off and unplug right here and here, and then the fuel pump should be able to pop out. I'll show you in a second. Alright, this is what it looks like when everything's out. But basically just unplug this right here, squeeze, and this one is just plugged in. You just pull it out. This one has a clamp. Just put the clamp back there and pull it off. Then this one is the squeeze. Squeeze both of these here and pull it out, and the fuel pump should just come out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to finesse this out. And my tank was pretty empty, but it doesn't look bad inside. But it just sits in there, right there. Alright, the fuel pump's out of the car. You can see this so fatty, like fat around the rim, but it'll fit. Okay, you just pull this rubber off of here, and then pull the old fuel pump. Just pull this off of it, and the filter will come off. And this is just a push tab. Just push in, pull it out, and then just put both the clamps up. It's pretty simple. Alright, bro. There's 2 layers of heat shrink on this. I wired it, and then I wrapped it in electrical tape, which you're not supposed to do because it doesn't do so good in gas, but fuck it. Oh shit, I need to put the other clamp on. Turbo Civic. Ooh. Alright, we got the fuse tapper, whatever thing here. 25 amp. Run all the way back through the firewall back there. Okay, now in here it looks pretty crazy, but so the wire is running into the 12 volt right here, and then the blue wire is running all the way to the battery back there with the fuse, and then the red wire is running to ground right here. Wow, that's wild. Okay, and then the black wire on the relay is going into the red wire plugged into here. Make sure you have these adapter pieces to plug into here. Yeah, and then the yellow is just running into here too. But it's pretty simple, and that's fucked, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put the car in accessory mode now and then just listen. You can hear the fuel pump going. I can literally feel it like vibrate behind me, bro, when I do it. I can literally hear it kick on, bro. It's crazy. But that's it. Although it's simple and easy for you guys. Simple and easy for you guys. Make it simple. There's already hella videos out there about Hondas and shit. It's an old ass build, but it's about to be turboed and about to be finished soon. But it'd be cool if you guys could stay tuned for the turbo build. There's a lot gonna be done to it. I still have like a hella shit like My ECU is getting chipped right now on Snake, and then it's gonna get tuned, and we're gonna put the 1000cc injectors on when we tune it. And yeah, it'd be cool if you guys could stay tuned. But subscribe, stay tuned for the Honda Civic. It's gonna be cool. You want me, but I not know. You know I know this ain't right. 'Cause you want me, 'cause I got the